Khan Academy Powers of 10, and we're working on the subtopic Compare Decimal Place Value. Fill in the blank. The value of the 1 in 1,255 is blank times the value of the 1 in 82,175. So what we're looking at here is we're noticing that here it's in the thousands place and here it's in the hundreds place. Okay, so we're noticing that it's one place value over. Okay, and because it's one place value over, it's 10 times the amount. Okay, because this is 1,000, this is 100. So if we think about that, that makes sense. 1,000 is 10 times the value of 100. In which number does the digit 8 have a value that is 1/10 times as great as the digit 8 in the number? So what we're looking at here is now we have this 8 right in the tens digit column. Okay, if we want it to be 1/10 as great, well, if we go this way, so if we move that 8 over to here, it's going to be 10 times greater. We don't want 10 times greater, we want 1/10. So that means that 8 has to be in the ones column right here. So down below, we're looking for a number that has an 8 in the ones column. This has a 3, this has a 9, this has a 9, and this has an 8 in the ones column. So D is going to be our best choice. In which number does the digit 6 have a value that is 10 times as great as the digit 6 in the number? So here, our digit 6 is in our 10,000s place. So if we want it to be 10 times as great, then we have to have that 6 be in the hundreds thousands place. So we need to find a number where it has a 6 in the hundreds thousands place. Okay, and these are the only two with 100,000s. This is 800,000, this is 600,000, so that's going to be our answer. Fill in the value, or I'm sorry, fill in the blank. The value of the 7 is blank times the value of the 7 here. So our 7 is in the thousandths, and here our 7 is in the hundredths. So here it's 7 thousandths is how many times 7 hundredths. Okay, well, it's actually smaller, so it's going to be, and it's moving one place value over to the left, because here it was in the thousandths and here it's in the hundredths, so that's one place value closer to the decimal, and so that's actually going to be 1/10 times the value, because it's not 10 times the value, it's this number is 1/10 of this 7 over here.